RanPak, world leader in paper packaging solutions, presents the WrapPak Protector. This converter creates a new and revolutionary paper shape. This strong wave paper pad provides very high cushioning performances. This application is ideal for box lining solutions covering a full box width with only one protective paper pad. Next to box lining solutions, this wide paper shape can also be used to block and brace your products, or for wrapping or interleaving the most fragile products to make sure they arrive undamaged and scratch-free. A multi-layered application of the wave paper pad can even offer thermal insulation to the product you're shipping. Through the wide range of applications, the wave paper pad replaces a wide range of existing packaging materials, ending the need to order and monitor many different stocks of boxes, plastics with aluminum coating, tapes, and inserts. You'll always know that you have the material you need to protect and dispatch. A small footprint means that it can be used anywhere at a pack table, as a standalone unit where multi-pack stations can be fed by a bin with pre-produced pads. Its speed and design also make it a perfect solution for an end-of-line packaging environment. The WrapPak Protector PT converter offers multiple production modes, like a foot pedal mode, batch mode, EDS mode, preset mode, and a recipe mode. The WrapPak Protector uses sustainable paper packaging material and ensures faster, streamlined packaging operations using less material. To summarize, the WrapPak Protector is a perfect solution if you're looking for a versatile, sustainable, and cost-effective solution. RanPak, the paper packaging expert.